Welcome back to the channel. My name's Ben, this is Speedy Performance, and this morning we've got BMW 335d in for a rear silencer delete. Sometimes on a diesel this can be super effective, sometimes there's hardly any difference at all, so we'll get this one done and hopefully sound really good. I think this one's got a couple of other exhaust mods done as well, so it should sound pretty good, but we're going to give you a little sound clip now of how it sounds before we start, and we'll do another one at the end and we'll show you a few bits of the process along the way. Right, we've got, so the tips we had them in on the shelf. Customer really liked them, but they're 3-inch inlet size, obviously based, just because of what we kind of normally work on. Everything tends to have a 3-inch exhaust system, but instead of ordering some more stuff in, we're just gonna make use of what we've got on the shelf basically. So we're going to cut some sections now with this 2.5-inch tube, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to expand the end to make it fit onto this 3-inch tip. Right, see that? Obviously it doesn't fit. We're going to make it fit using our press and this nice little cone. Made for the job. Made for the job. Lee told me how to do that. looks alright. Now we just got to find out what it sounds like.
Come on, Ben, it's the end of the video, mate.
Oh! Hiya. Just having a bit of practice, you know what I mean? That's it, BM's done, gone. Customer was loving it. Sounded mega, to be fair, didn't it, Lee?
Yeah, it did sound good.
Sounded good. I think we booked in another one. His mate who dropped him off liked it that much. He's booked his in as well, so yeah. If you like this sort of content, just let us know below and we'll see if we can do some more for you, so you don't have to keep watching Cal and Lee pissing about, making shit videos. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe to the channel, tell all your mates to come and see us, and all that jazz.
And, I reckon we should stop there. I reckon we'll swap roles now and I'll show you how welding should be done.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Go on then.
Come on then. Yeah?
How'd you hold this stupid thing?
Is that that? I'll show you how it should be done.
Hang on, you're out of focus.
Am I still in focus?
Yeah.
Is it working? God, you got a right fat head.
Storage facility for...
Do we need gloves on?
What? Nah, you'll be alright. You need gloves. Yeah. Shows where you've been practicing already, Lee. Let's have a look.
I ain't got... They're yours. I've seen that. I watched you doing it.
Yeah, whatever. What? Where's that last bit you tried? Let's just have a look.
That... I don't know what you're going on about, mate.
Oh, hello. Welding lessons with Lee Bennett.
Shall I show you how it should be done?
Come on, mate. You look like you know what you're doing. This thing need a welding mask on, what?
Nah, be alright. Go for it, mate. How's that? I got a bit of colour. Posh and fancy that, isn't it?
It's alright that, apart from all the pinholes.
So crack on.
So we're going to be ending this video. Say bye, Lee.
Bye.